Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is another video of Django series. In this video, we'll talk about admin page and we'll learn about more advanced things about how to, manage our database with admin page. So guys, what is admin page? This is the most important concept about the Django. Not important, but this is the most important feature of Django because I really like Django for this admin page, and there are a lot of other features too, but the admin page is really different, it's just so good. It makes us really organized to work with our applications. Yeah, whatever, let's jump into the tutorial and I will show you how to do that things. Yeah. So first we have to go our models, and you can see that in the last video we created this article model and we wanted to migrate it. By the way, I don't know, I just showed the way how to migrate, but I did not talk about migrations too much, but there are not just big things in there. So when you are opening your, Django program, there is so many features and so many just default just tables that comes with Django. So if you say that, by the way, I configured all database and all database name, this user, I logged in my database and I opened my server. So now we can just migrate it. In the last video, as you know, we couldn't. So Python manage.py and it will say migrate, and now it should just, yeah, you can see that there is so many things that go into our database. And by the way, if you're doing any change in database from now, we have to say Python manage.py make migrations, and yeah, you can see that we are creating model article. So if you are working with our own models, we have to first say make migrations, and now you can think like we are in the stage area. We just made this change in our app, but we have to migrate it to our database to integrate it. So we can say just migrate. And now, yeah, you can see that applying Django app, this initial and all migrations, these things. So that's it for our just doing with database. So we did that. So do not forget that if you're making any change, if you're creating any model or something, you will just first say make migrations. Putting it in the stage area. You can think as GitHub, and then you are pushing it to your database with migrate. Yeah, that's just this simple. And now we can say Python manage.py run server. Yeah. So that's it for migrations. I did not talk about too much, but there is not to talk about too much about it. So guys, now if we go to our admin page, you can see that we have this Django administration login page. So, but how do we log in? We don't have any user, so we have to create user, but how? Django super user creation. And yeah, you can see that we are doing everything with manage.py. So we can say Python manage.py and create super user. You're doing that. Then we will just give a username first. We can say just admin, and then we'll say just our email, maybe admin@example.com. It doesn't matter, And for the password, you can give your password. Yeah. Now you created your super user, so run the server and go to your admin page, login page, and we'll say admin. Yeah. And now we are in our admin page. This is the authentication and authorization tables and these kind of database things that comes with Django, and these are automatically registered to our admin page, but we don't have any article in here. But how to integrate that? So this is so simple. We are going our app, and inside of our app there is admin.py. Every app has own admin page. Actually, not admin page. I mean, there is one admin page, but we are doing different processes in our different applications. So we can just say for admin.py, we can say admin the site the register, and we will give our model name. It is article, right? But we don't have any article in here. I mean, it will give error, right? See that? Yeah, of course we have to, yeah, name article is not defined, but we have to import that. So from where? From models. By the way, dot models means that from this app. You can also write just Django app models, but you don't need that. Just make dot models and import our article. I mean, from this applications database. If you're doing that from other apps database, which we have not, so you can just say, for example, we have user application, so we say user.models import something. So we created that, we imported that, now we can use that. We are free to use that. Now you can see that we have these articles in here, and we can create our article really easily. So we'll say add article, and now we'll save that. And now, as you can see, it's so easy to create our article with Django admin page. It's automatically created, you can see, and we have also our date. This date. We can see that we can see and we can recognize our items in here with the title, and then this sign in here, and our this I mean date created. So if we just, I will show you. If we just did not use that, let's see how it looks. You can see article object 1. It's so hard to remember, you know. How can you remember that? What was the one ID of article object? You know, this is just that simple. I wanted to show you all the things in admin page, so that's why I was really mysterious in other lessons, in previous lessons. I mean, this is just that easy. You can see that now we have one article, and we can add other articles such as I will just say random things. We don't have to lose our time, and add other one, title, content. Yeah, I will just do it like this. And now we have these things in our database, guys. Can you just imagine that? Yeah, that's just this simple, guys. That's how we are using our admin page to manage our database. If we want, we can create our own admin page, and we can even, create article in our other admin page with our forms. HTML forms. We can do everything with our own work, but this is just more comfortable. They did just more comfortable. Of course, we will not use we'll not use it forever. We'll create other pages to how to add our own article, but this is just more easy version of it. So you can see that we have 3 database now, and yeah, that's guys it for this video. You know, this was just admin page, how to create our user. You just learned about it, and of course you can go to your just Django project, Django documentation, and you can see everything from here. Yeah, you can see that it's just everything in here, and you can see how to register your your model in your admin page. You can see everything from here, so you can just do it on what you just imagine. You can do everything from here, and try to keep up with that and learn. Just repeat your knowledge with it, but do not learn just useless things, guys. Just remember that. Yeah, that was it for this video. I will also try to just teach you other things in, of course, models, how to use our models with our templates. But it will be our next video, guys. It was really short video, I know, but it's so easy concept, you know. This was just admin page. But I mean, just try to understand that understand the how Django made it comfortable to us, how to work with admin page. This is really amazing, you know. Yeah, guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Just do not forget to subscribe my page and like the videos. And take care of yourself. That's it.